This little fiend, little Pee-wee, got out the other day. Yeah, so she got out of the cat run. She can't normally get into the cat run through the cat flap, or she could, but she doesn't know to do it. So we open up the cat. The cat run is the carport, so open that up to do some work in there. Yeah, and thought everything was all clear, all cats, and then she snuck out. Yes, and being more of a timber cat, ex-stray sort of thing, yeah, she, had troubles trying to come back inside, or didn't know it was troubles, but nervous to come back inside, the conventional way, through a back door or front door. Instead she just hung around the garden near the house. I suspect, yeah, she was very close. I did see her at one point right near the house. And after a couple nights outside, she ended up having been caught in a possum trap. Because, had to bring her in. And worrying about her. It was raining and everything like that. Yes, and she was that hungry. That hungry. Yeah, she ate all the food in the trap. She ate a whole lot of food for breakfast. Or wet food, whole lot of dry food. Then lunchtime, or around lunchtime, she had more food. Yeah, this little schnook. And ever since then, she's been cuddling up and, yeah. Yes, been reminded of how nice it is inside. Yes. Wee wee little schnook, eh? Yeah. Silly little girl. And she's all got a little bit of a cold, just to top it all off.